Entiabra Penyah Captain Kojo Smart awo onua TV. Wabetre na adwen afa EOCO fo ayese o makoche Shatta Wale no musa di ten nyafa na mogini yellow na. Zama chem say stolen car no. Captain Smart say on tiase adentina Mahama ayenhwe han na manfo che say Raymond Archer edini tumi intimidate Shatta Wale any Ghana for ne say what want in fact obefaya. Wabeke kanadwen pa che say nkwase asem ana ekoso e wo Ghana hanum the arrest of Shatta Wale or say pure foolishness. I Penyah block media. Mess was any day. Over like video, no other my subscribe button, snap back, click bell notification, connect latest updates. Snap back to the wide and their mommy. Ever comments, as much as Basoa. No, she been on from any be Ashe. 86 August 2025, and a bar said Raymond Archer, our EOCO boss, wako Shatta Wale fee, aqua for Shatta Wale no. The number Genie, yellow one. Wako fa. And answer car, a stolen car, if USA and a bar Ghana is the OB and a cofa can one Kwabna Amubi, Kwabna Amobi, and the Korea can USA one crown. Or say we jail term our USC it or no any ko we account our USC and obeton card ma Shatta Wale what I say Emma that you who ya Shatta so be live streaming and it's not okay can I adwen to the EOCO for no
to come to the office and now somebody will call me that you people they come arrest me so say so if I move my car quick go see my girlfriend no then take me go the EOCO there. We catch a EOCO, that's normal formalities, you go there, they take your phone, blah, blah, it don't be anything too much. It don't be anything too much. So I said, okay, cool. Today, the reason why I wrote Raymond Archer's name on my Facebook page was that the approach he gave me in that office on that fateful day was the most scariest thing that traumatized me up till now. But I've kept my cool. Baba, we enter the office inside no. I can't sit down here because you know see me, my office, me too, all my big men, Charlie, me, Kwame, I, whether people they see me say I get money, I don't get me. If I see anybody where get money pass me, they so higher power pass me, my respect there, forget. So I just they stand there where when they walk from me, there's the camp. They tell me say, listen, Shatta, every wine is going down. Listen to what I'm saying, Ghana. So that if somebody come my house, where I say I'm not going to go anywhere, make nobody come even tell me, say, Shatta, what did you know they try? It's too much. Why? They use power, they abuse people. Why? For your office, they give me warning. Say, if I don't know, they do wine, they go down. And if I want to go down with the wine, he doesn't give a fuck about it. But he's telling me that wherever all the cars that they do wine has given me and I'm hiding, if I don't show them, he will take me, he will give me to the FBI or whatever. And I said, oh, come on, relax for me. Oh, come on, yeah, come here in peace. Like, the way they talk, like, come on. Yeah, this matter they talk. I don't know anything about this matter. I'm telling you, the cars that he has given you, we know. He says he changed it. Listen to this statement. That's what Raymond Archer tell me. Say, Edu Boy say they change my cars every 6 months. My fans know my cars I use. When I buy car, they post for evidence sake to my fans. Because they made me who I am today. So I don't post my things for anybody, just my fans to motivate them. He watched my face and told me that if I want to go down with the Dubai, that one day he doesn't give a fuck about it. Come on. Where I go do politics for? Where I go do campaign for? We invest for office like that, they talk to me. I don't be anybody, but I be somebody from God. God say make I no fear face. God, hey God, wherever you deal with if you watch your children to go through this, I thank you. God, I always talk whether good or bad, I thank you. I thank you.
Et letter and it say Wale Macrowasade Lamogini for Abba. I said just a violet one or the and also Abba Ghana Hanamo. Ama right after that, I did change. Anyone say EOCO for Aquache Shatta Wale Aquatum. Proud to Lamogini yellow no. I want some eating a coma catching and no, and as we invited Shatta say Omra emergence or may answer to some questions, but occurring unfortunately, Omo detained Shatta Wale Emma or Mama and Kofi that day. Emma daddy the crowd. SM fans in fact, Omo ko ye bi wo hono Omo ko deep please for the Juma just say Omo ko hono ekoye basa basa.
We love him, we respect him. What we want to thank him, we are begging him. All the conditions that they give Shatta Wale, we are ready to follow it. But the money is too much. We are pleading. We have to reduce the money so that we can give him bail. Shatta Wale is not angry. Shatta Wale is not mafia. Shatta Wale is not gangster. Shatta Wale is a musician. Listen to me. Listen to me. Shatta Wale loves Ghana. Shatta Wale loves the youth, especially the street youth. So, listen to me. I don't want anybody to go and cause problem. Please, where he is right now, you want to come out. So, it's not kibi or basa that will bring him out. But, listen to me, but the way we show love, the people will see. So, for me, as mayor of Nima, Shatta Wale is my son. Nima is the heart of Shatta Wale. Then also, listen to me. Once again, we are begging the boss of local. You should temper justice with mercy.
We're there with you. That's your boy. Go feed your packer. Pam. Mama, me ST0P the N0NSENSE party when I saw pa. Tell them me about what's it? What's going to do? What two scandal? ST0P for life. ST0P, this your boy.
All right, so these are very emotional reactions here in front of EOCO.
Emma almost the bail condition to what it is on to 10 million Ghana cedis, 100 billion, any two sureties. Emma said, "Koyer Wale man, it will be the bail condition." Emma say, "Omo ejano." Emma ne be fie.
Shatta is safe. You know, your king is safe. Wandon is safe, and I'm home now. And I just want to say a big thank you for supporting, you know, and for being around me in times like this, because I needed you guys, you know, the most, because you guys are the ones that hold me down. Once again, I want to say, you know, a big thank you to everybody that has been in support of this, you know. Shouts to Neo Original Wandon, you know, who has been a father to me too, and he's been very supportive too as well. You know. To all the staff of EOCO, you guys have been wonderful. At least I came there, you guys really took me through that rightful processes that, you know, was needed. And I just want to say God bless you. And, you know, to Mr. Ramonacha, I just want to tell you, you know, I thank you so much for your understanding.
Now, anyone, Anna Captain, very don't say, debut. And never been a cost to Ghana hand me. Wale, I rest and watching a Penyah Sabana do woman. And his excellence, I am high. I'm a Raymond Archer, adding it to me, and let what you way, a Tina way I catch or bow punumu or two-way dine, and then I cost to Ghana hand me. Captain Smart, Albert class with Mahama, any Raymond Archer way eco boss.
Let me tell you. Any minister so kruma don't send a biye djuma. Shatta Wale biye shagzi ana yes ana yefre no. Sanfu akwa yet wana kwasi asɛmti. Ye yetete abrante we. Menka so biye bɔne am yenka wo. But the arrest of Shatta Wale nya sɛbɛ na wu. Ye njiri. Nya sɛbɛ na wu. How can you arrest a prosecutional witness and treat the person like a suspect? Are we not crazy? If Shatta committed crime, let's deal with it. But if you read, you listen to the entire thing, what is over there, what is out there. Confiscated, I mean impound the vehicle. Whoever sold the car to him is around. The person is not dead. Yes, in the parukra, FBI fabe faniko. Translate who say yes on your trimu say before. Mr. Shando, fetch me. Yes. Yes. Aka nipano FBI buy no. You want to tell me FBI for no money baby akado. Ghana EOCO and national security and money baby akado. FBI edi car native from America. Ebe pie Ghana. Who say car no ha. as soon as see the tone, the fat car no buy and the tone, yeah. So what do you say? FBI woman in the answer. No woman say car the Shatta Wale. They knew. I don't know Manchester Shatta. What is Shatta in the year? Because in the circumstance of the purchase of the vehicle, Shatta is just a victim of that circumstance.
Smart. He is unique.
So the FBI left him. They only gave information to the local security. And as useless as we are, we went to arrest Shatta. I am not saying that's a Shatta did money. May and count. That's not what I'm saying. That's not my point. He may have committed, maybe, I don't know. And I am not the repository of everything that happened. So I do not want to claim. But what happened was it necessary? Watch this. So people in the creative industry, if you look at Mame Dokono alone, let me use Mame Dokono. Let me use Mame Dokono. And other people, somebody who can sit somewhere and tell you, say, oh, they arrested Shatta Wale to save Shatta. So why do you humiliate him?
From head to toe, I'm a baggo.
Huh? Me transcending and me study BB from Norway. One for BB silent arrest. Our security officers in this country, do you know silent arrest? Captain Smart can be arrested, nobody will hear. MPP in some phone on 39 times in 2 years. Then we can arrest Solo, nobody knows Solo has been arrested. But whosoever is the highest authority will know that Solo Yacheno. Silent arrest, Dean Obiante. If indeed you wanted to save Shatta, why that humiliation? And when you saw the crowd on the street, the main issue is that Mame Dokono alone from Obra. Mame Dokono koye show me on Metro TV. I've forgotten the name of that show. But what I know is by the fireside and Obra. Watch this. If as a country that time, the Mame Dokono air by the fireside and Obra no. Now with the Houston so to America. Now, and Akwe Rambo, Jeben Schwarzenegger, Arnold Schwarzenegger. So on the Schwarzenegger America. Calculated that time na Arnold Schwarzenegger o Schwarzenegger America. Ni time na Mame Dokono ono so oye Obra no e Ghana han say, "Wo ke o musika boma." Come on. Hey, GH boy, na Arnold Schwarzenegger also Schwarzenegger. Now Mike Tyson obo boxing to say Azuma Nelson and Tom Painter onye scan aduane ni.
Wachino.
We got to be real. That's why I told you employment is not just statistics. We need a leader who can redesign the focus and re-engineer the faculties of broadcasting to make sure that any pie war will benefit from broadcasting. That's it. Makato me Ghana man Penyah umbobro ni nyum Ghana. Ube born from Ahomachi 1 a.m. Ube born anajo 1 a.m. Oh bi adano umbobro ni nyum bia me Ghana man Penyah. Oya catch me say me na TV sika na me TV3 me na mo sika na me Onia TV na me na mo sika na me Onia FM. It's a license no papa they are. When was the last time you went to America? Now we hear CNN. Near the Jacko de Mame Dokono. Any Nanama McBrown movie up to CNN. So when was the last time you saw that? When was the last time you went to UK and you saw Qatari? Ajos. When? Rokoto. Hey. They do about two BBC. So when was the last time? I will sit in this country and we glorify stupidity. And when that begins to engulf us, we sit down and we use English. The Sokromodum, the Sokromote, the Dutumkwa, the Dutumbra. We speak rubbish English in this country and we think that we are creating jobs. We are not creating jobs. We are only defining statistics. So, where is Qatari? Papa no away. Yes, we. Huh? Miami wa fama nkwapofu. Me de beta Angel tama ne wo ho. Amankwapofu no yare. He had a mild stroke. But if On my side, Ghana, yet see a Juma, yet see employ. You see, the word is M. M means them. Let me break down the word employment for you to understand. Employment is not an English word. It's a Latin Hebrew word. Meaning that taking care of all of them till they die. If you don't understand employment, employment is not an English word. It's a Latin Hebrew word. Meaning that taking care of them till they die. So, when we say employment or employment, and so we deploy, so therefore you deploy them. So they go out there to work. Media General, deploy Captain Smart and pay with the TV so. We deploy Sofu Solo, Oteha, we deploy GH Boy, Obo Jai, we deploy Godwin, Mr. Chu, Adam, we have been deployed. But before we were deployed, somebody have to employ. Meaning somebody is taking care of us. Makacho me ye Ghana man pedia me do nyambe.
Captain Smart.
Even a Nigeria movie kura. Yes, to come as an alata for to be a trokrata. Sakamami do kuro America. I got him score. Yay, mami do kuno so to America. Count him score. So what we have to do, number one, is to understand the creative industry. Artists, musicians, storytellers. We got to bring them together. Ghana paid the Ocho movie Onisika, but the Ochano Uska. What is wrong with us? We see employment as Wako School. Let me tell you, Mimi be a human. I don't need your certificate. Who institutions? You said they will need first degree. I am more rubbish. Time me badum na after the Maria Christian Service University College 2012 my certificate could have money make home because I say mama me let me respond after 3 months I respond here Christian Service University College say Medino blessed God's brain smart no me de yirenchi ashame it woman catch up some ko gazette sa dino na me gazette ya me de yirenchi ni ko shame fifi Ghana dina me de shame fifi one Christian Service University College say a delay 21 days and some later neighbor this is former education minister these are all the past education ministers from 2012 till today. I'm not even interested. They are not looking at talent. Listen, you can retire from your job, but nobody can ever retire you from your talent. Sitting here today, me this sister yes, and of course me when I'm even 55. Even when I'm 50, being Media General, if I am still here by that time, to say the Yarata Papa Shamunu, they will retire me. But my talent as Captain Smart, nobody can retire me from my talent. So it's about time Africa, through Ghana, we must appreciate talent. And stop thinking about this rubbish called certificate. This four-cornered wall called the classroom does not pump brains into anybody's head. It's only enlightening us to see certain things that maybe somebody wrote we have not read. That is education. Obito nyumo krom ha. Ubewu. Dr. Pabobo. Owobe no wui. Munka chame. Wani. No way. Even Amatedu. Our throw books. Emma yen Ghana ha. Emma yedi suade literature. The book we call The Dilemma of a Ghost. Ni na chine kosi say. Ni yete ya ni akofa alata ni book. Chono achubi. Rubbish. The gods are not to be blamed. The Makato said, "Me name Krom Bosom Chomanson." Makato said, "Me name Krom Bosom Chomanson." It's the gods are not to be blamed. Meanwhile, there are powerful writers in this country. Ghana decided, rubbish. Okay? What if say parenting a job? Me person waste time. To me boss from parenting. Say wa woman na wo hwe wo mkra no, it's a job. And when you say Ghana, we can even create adwuma me sese ya mete ha yi bisa say me ma no wo hen say ye me maame agi ena metu na se efiri man kese ma betan kran no ne me papa te ha anka sese ya me sori ahoma kye na mbetena ha no me ma no ye omne ye nana jiri abena maame ya jojo ye ena inshira ye aha nka hwa na behwe won ka sese enkwala nketenkete ne meja omo fie wo be kono ma hye fie no say care-centered, care-oriented jobs. Government can create that. Ghana pet akwakorabiane abenobia ebefo. Aban bia peso we skills ni kodua nua. The green jobs, reforestation, circular economy, and climate resilience. These are areas we can create jobs and people from nowhere will bring in money. Why are we sitting now quiet?
Ubet bachelor wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Accra.